'Tis the time to be watching Amazon stock. Black Friday, Christmas and COVID-19 squeezing the high streets and the other stores, and restrictions maybe tightening over the next few months, all fall into the hands of the mega corp that is Amazon. I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to see what's happening to the price at the moment and where it may be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. The weekly line chart gives us a chance to have a look at some longer term history of the stock and also where it could be going up or down, looking at those Fibonacci lines in the future. But I've kept on a couple of blue shaded boxes here to highlight a lot of sideways price action, and that's important because that creates congestion zones, support and resistance zones in the longer term. Now at the moment the price struggled to get past highs twice at 3735, 3750, and at the moment it's just pulling back, and if that price keeps reversing down, it's back into that first blue box there, anywhere down to at 2,900, 3,000. If it can break on upwards, and when it does, it normally breaks up sharply, then 4,300, 4,400 isn't out of the question in the near future. In the longer term, $5,000 could be a potential target. So at the moment, in the short term, not looking so great, maybe consolidating a bit, but does definitely have the potential for much greater numbers. So to find reversal points at the moment, the trend has been up in the 4 line break chart setup we've got here at the moment. So the first point of call is at 3,520 for a reversal back bearish, and that's more aggressive approach. And if you want to be more conservative, then 3,450, 3,449 could be the number for you if you're looking for that price to go back down and want an entry position number for yourself. And the daily Heikin-Ashi chart, well, our signals at the bottom are weak bearish between the two. Volatility just above its longer term moving average at 25% annual, and volume it's a bit negative at the moment, but still trading under its longer term average or thereabouts. And in terms of price action, the price did break out above the 2 pink line box breakout set up there, headed straight up to the top of the 2 standard deviation regression band and pulled back. And looking back over 2021, it does seem to do that in that zone or just outside of that zone and then pull back either bullish or bearish at the moment. And like I say, heading back into the neutral zone in the middle of the 2 bands, the trend being slightly upwards. Overall, it's looking a bit flat and neutral at the moment. As for the Renko chart, I've used a $25 block size, and all our signals are a mix at the moment. We have a red regression, so bearish there at the top of the 3. The stochastics just warming up to look a bit more bullish, and the RSI nearly crossing over its moving average to give us a bullish signal. So a bit of a mixed bag there. And then on to the price, we had a sell signal outside the two pink line box breakout set up, and that stopped around the 78.6% Fibonacci line. The price still trading above the longer term moving average, so we're at a point now on a reasonably flat trend where it's going to try and make its mind up where to go next. And like I said earlier, it's really struggled to get past that 37.50 mark, and that seems to be the key area what to break. And we do have the two pink line box breakouts is sitting right on there as well, so to me that's the key number, and if it can get through there, then the next stop is, you know, roughly about $4,000, and then 4,100 and 4,300 after that. If things do reverse and things get bad for Amazon, then probably support around 3,400, 3,420, that's 61.8% Fibonacci line, and then down to 3,200, and below that the longer term down number takes you back to March time of this year, just under the 3,000, you know, 2,900 sort of area. Again, it feels a slightly bit more bullish, but it's actually pretty neutral, static at the moment. At this current point of time then, based purely on the technical analysis, I'm going to go neutral overall. We head up to the top right 4-line break chart. We got two bearish numbers for you. I think the price is going to reverse back down. Heikin Ashi Rango, like I said, both pretty neutral, and if we head into the targets, then 2 to 1, 3.5 to 1 to the upside, and 1.37 and 2 to 1 to the downside. But overall, at the moment, it's looking pretty neutral. So if Amazon can have a good holiday period, end of year, then we could quite easily see them trading up into the 4,000, 4,300 area, and it'd be interesting to see what happens at the next earnings call. But at the moment, just off the technical analysis information we've got, then I'm going to stay neutral, and that to me means waiting on my hands and timing my way into any trade using the technical analysis and whatever strategies I'm deploying. Let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree with the analysis, or have any other opinion on or thoughts on where you reckon Amazon is heading next. I'd love to hear those. And if you want to learn more about the analysis that I've used in the video today, then I'll put a link in the description below for you to follow. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.